Hello, my name's Callum Knott, and today we're going to be looking at how we would build a Lego leg. This is for a Lego minifigure, and it's part of a tutorial on how to do an entire Lego minifigure. But today we're just going to look at the leg. So the first thing that we're going to do is draw this outline of the leg from the side view. We're then going to extrude it, and then we're going to cut a hole in it. It's a very short procedure, shouldn't take very long at all. So the first thing we're going to do is jump into Solidworks, and we're going to make a new part. And we're going to say that we want to take a sketch and sketch it on the right hand plane like this, because we are looking at the leg from the right hand side, or the left hand side, doesn't really matter, we always use the right plane. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by drawing this circle here. So it says it's got a radius of 3.9 mil, so we're going to choose circle, center point, move away, and then smart dimension it. Now it says it has a radius of 3.9, which means it has a diameter of 7.8. So I'm just going to put that in here. 7.8. Done. So the next thing we're going to do is we want a line going down for 11mm, across for 7.8, up for 3.2, and then back in for 2. So 11, 7.8. Let's do that to begin with. So we take the line tool, we start at the edge here, and come straight down. Then we're going to go across 7.8, then it was up by, I think it was 3.2, and in by 2. So let's measure those off first. So smart dimension, this one is going to be exactly 11, this one needs to be 7.8, but that's already set because we did it exactly the right width, so it's got that dimension line already. We need a height here of 3.2 millimeters, and this line coming in here should be exactly 2 millimeters. Then I'm going to do one more line which goes vertically up from this point. So that's all of the shapes that we need for this, so we're just going to trim and get rid of these two pieces. And that's it, the outline of our Lego leg. We're going to finish, press finish again, and then we're going to go to features, extrude, and we can check our data sheet, and it says a 6.25mm wide with a 3mm hole, but 6.25 is what we want to begin with, so let's just set that here, 6.25mm. Wait for SketchUp to finish, click the tick, and we're done. One Lego leg. So let's add the hole. Now, depending on whether or not it is the left leg or the right leg, the hole has to be on a different side. So we're just going to do the left leg today. What you could do is you could save this leg at this point and then open it, add the left bit, and then make a copy of the unsaved version and do it on the right. But we'll just do one for today. So we're going to choose sketch, sketch, and we're going to choose this side. Choose a center point circle, and because we drew the last circle on the origin, this one is going to be on the origin too. And we said that we want it to be with a radius of, I think it was 2.5. Let's just check. It is. Good. 2.5 millimeters. Press finish. And then we can use the features, extrude cut, to a width of 3mm. There we go, that is one Lego leg finished. So if you wanted to do anything more complex, you could. This is the basic outline, this would be pretty happy, but if you wanted to do more than this, you could go and add a couple of other things. On the back of a Lego leg there is normally a hole about here, which is 4mm, and on the bottom there is also a hole. So I'm going to add those here, but you don't need to if you don't want to. So we're going to choose sketch. I'm going to choose a regular rectangle this time, and I'm going to draw it on the back here like this, and I'm going to say that it has a smart dimension of 4mm. Oh, that went wrong. Smart dimension of 4mm, and also on this side 4mm. And I want it to also be equal on either side, so equal distance from here and equal distance from here. So we know that it is 6.25mm wide and that this is 4mm. So what we want to do is we want to do 6.25 divided by 2 minus 2, because that will give us half the width minus half of this distance. 0.63. Has something gone wrong there? I think it has. Let's try that again. 6.25 divided by 2. We'll put that in brackets. Minus 2. 1.13. There we go. That's what we wanted. Maybe the brackets were wrong. So I'm going to finish that and extrude cut deep up inside the leg. I don't have a exact measurement for this, so we'll just eyeball it. There we go. So now the Lego man has the hole in his foot, so he can stand effectively on a Lego block. And we're going to put the circle on the back here. So let's do the same. Sketch, sketch, choose the back. We're going to put a circle on the back, and again there's no way of me really lining this up, so I'll just put it on here for the moment. I'm going to choose this as a 4mm, and then we're going to choose a distance from the bottom. I don't have the specific one, so I'm just going to say it's 3.5 and hope, and then we need to do a distance from the side, so center. So we can choose smart dimension from the side to the center point, and we can say that it is 6.25 divided by 2. Done. So I'm going to extrude cut this just through deep enough that it cuts into the centre of this leg. There we go. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you would make a Lego foot.